Good morning. Hi, I am Amarjit Kaur, student of SAS Institute Management Studies, student of MBA first year. Hope you're going good. Let's go to the topic. Subject Operations Management. Operations Management and with a subtopic types of facility layouts. Today I'm going to explain you or talk about the facility layout. The layout is very much important as we all know. Okay, first I would like to introduce the what is actually the facility location. Okay, facility locations may be defined as the selections of a suitable location or site place where the factory or plant or facility is to be installed, where the plants will start functioning. The development of location strategy depends upon types of firm being considered. Industrial location analysis decisions focus on minimizing cost. Retail and professional service organizations typically have a focus on maximizing revenue. Warehouse location, mm, on the other hand, may be. Yes, now we will move to types of facilities layout. Let's see what are the types. Okay, the first type is heavy manufacturing. Now, what is heavy manufacturing? Heavy manufacturing facilities are primarily plants that are relatively large and require a lot of space, and as a result are expensive to construct. Example, automobile plants, steel mills, and oil refineries. Important factors on the location decisions for plants include construction cost, modes of transportation for shipping heavy manufactured items, and receiving bulk shipments of raw material. Proximity of raw material, utilities, means of waste disposal, and labor availability. Sites for manufacturing plants are normally selected where constructions and land costs and can be kept a minimum and raw material sources are nearby in order to reduce transportation cost. Access to railroads is a frequently major factors in locating a plant. Environmental issues have increasingly become a major factor in plant location decisions. Plants can create various forms of pool pollution and traffic pollution. This plant must be located where the harm to the environment is minimized. Although proximity to customer is an important factor for same facility types, it is less so for manufacturing plants. So this is all about the heavy manufacturing. Let's talk about light manufacturing. Light industries. Light industries facilities are typically received as smaller, cleaner plants that produce electronic equipments and components, parts used in assemblies or assembled products. Example, making stereos, TVs or computers, tools and die shop, breweries or manufacturing firms. Several factors are important for light industry. Land and construction costs are not generally as cool because the plants tend to be smaller and require less engineering. It is not as important to be near raw materials since they are not received in large bulk quantities, nor is storage capacity required as a great degree. Alternative, many lights industries ship directly to regional warehouse or distributors, making it less important to near customers. Let's talk about the warehouse and distribution centers. Warehouse are a category of their own products. Own products are not manufactured or assembled within their confines, nor they are sold from there. right? They represent an intermediate point in the logistical inventory system where products are held in storage. Normally, a warehouse is simply a building that is used to receive, handle, and ship products. They generally require only moderate, that is used to receive the and handle and then ship products. They generally require only moderate environmental conditions and securities and little labor. Although some specialized warehouse requires a more controlled environment such as refrigerator or security for precious metals or drugs because of their role as intermediate point in the movement of products from the manufacturer to the customer. Transportation, shipping cost are the most important factors. So in the location decision for warehouse, the proximity to customer can also be an important consideration depending on the delivery requirements, including the frequency of delivery required by the customer. Constructions and land costs tend to be less important, as does the labor availability, since warehousing require no raw material, have no production processes, and create no waste. Factors such as proximity to raw material, utilities, and waste of disposals are almost no importance. Then we comes to the next point, that is retail and service. Now, what is kind of retails and service? Retails and service operations generally requires the smallest and least cost facilities. Example include such service facilities as restaurants, bank, hotels, cleaner clinics, law office, and retail facilities such as groceries and department stores. Among many others, the single most important factor for locating a service or retail facility is proximity to customer. It is usually critical that a service facility is near the customers who buy from it. Construction costs are generally less important, especially when compared with a manufacturing plant. However, land or leasing cost can be important for retail operations, for which the sayings the location is everything is very meaningful and site cost can be very high. Other location factors that are important for heavy and light manufacturing facilities such as proximity, raw materials, zoning, utilities, transportations, and labor are less important or not important at all for service and retail facilities. So here all about the